Is that good?
What's that chicken?
No, just broth, please.
Okay. Okay. I'm getting chicken out. Get this. And you're on. You love it. They just around our feet, please. Let me feed her.
Easy though. That's a hard spoon. Here. Oh, I don't have her spoon. Just be easy, okay?
Is that good? I found a little carrot.
No, she can't have that. Too big.
There.
There's nothing on the spoon, Isabella. Jeezer.
Hey.
Say, I want some. Yeah. Is that good?
Yes, it is. It's not hot at all.
Good.
Yes.
Don't.
Sophia,
There's nothing on the spoon, Isabella.
it's chicken broth.
I don't think there was any there. Mm.
Okay. Here was a drop.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that was her eyeball. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sophia, wave.
Bye-bye.
Sophia, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye.
Sophia, bye-bye.